Hey, good looking. Want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine, swing onto my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I've been making some FAUX wrought iron patio decorations. So, swing onto my kitchen so I can sit there and show you what the pleasure lady has all been up to. I show you some of the things that I have been making with my Dollar Tree finds, and this happens to be one of the wall hangings that I'm making to go on the wall right next to our deck, and I'll try to get a shot down so you can see it better. But there's another votive that I have to add right down here, and it takes these little solar lights. I broke off the bottom part of it, and you just would simply glue it. Or now this is how you're going to be seeing it exactly up on the wall, but I still have work to do on it. I have some beading that I'm going to do around the votive cups, and I'm going to spray it with a black hammered enamel spray, and then it goes up on my wall. And here's another FAUX wrought iron wall hanging that I'm working on, and in the very center here we're gonna be I'm sorry, I don't have the camera on the tripod right now. But anyways, I'm making one of them to go in the very center of it, and hopefully I'm going to be turning that into a water fountain, and it's going to have like a half bowl down here below to collect the water and have the water recirculate back up to the sun up here, and I'll have a nice little wall waterfall feature. But that's another thing that I've made out of the garden fence from one of my Dollar Tree hauls, and that I'm working on. This will give you an idea of what it will look like up on my wall. And this too, I am going to be spraying with hammered black enamel paint. Now I wonder what could this all be. Well, let's turn this around. Remember them hanging baskets? Well, I'm making a chandelier out of it, and that's still in the making, as you see. Let's go ahead, remove this. We're going to turn this glass bowl over. I found these really cute little sundae cups, and we're going to glue one down like that. I have another one, and then I also have another one on top of that, but I'm not going to sit there and place it on top of there because I'm on top of a glass table and I don't want no uh-ohs. But I'm just going to sit there and show you roughly what we're going to be doing. Okay, we got it this far. Remember, we're going to be having one more of them sections, and then on top of that we have another one of them glass votives with the cellular or the outdoor solar light. We're going to put that on top of there. Whoa, it's already wobbly. That's why we're not going to put the other one on top, but it goes like that. And then this, whoa! And it'll look something like that, but more done into a chandelier. Like I said, it's in the works. Okay, now that I disassembled it all so it doesn't fall over on my glass table and crack my glass table or break any of my chandelier parts that I'm using right now, but Now, if you want to sit there and see any of these projects while they're still in the making, please leave a comment down below, and I'll be sure to pick up the camera and show you how I do make these. Now, remember the wrought iron wall hangings I showed you? They came from this plastic fencing or garden fencing that I found at the Dollar Tree, and I took a few of them, and also of that, this is still in the makings. I'm gonna make this into a birdhouse. Like I said, it's still in the making, but that's also being made out of that. Now just wait, I haven't stopped there. I still have a few more things I have made out of the garden fence. And here's my little wrought iron table that we're going to be setting a planter out on. And as you see, it came, or I made it with the stove cover top and one piece of this garden fencing, and this is what it's all going to be sprayed down with. The black hammered enamel Rust-Oleum spray. But I didn't stop there. Just hold on. And as you see here, I'm also making what they had back in, I believe, in the 1800s. These Victorian terrariums. And I cut out sections of the fence, as you see here, and just simply glued them on some photo frames. And now this too, I am going to sit there and spray it all black to make it look like wrought iron to go along with the rest of all the wrought iron things I do have out in my patio. And as you've been seeing in the opening shots, here's my 3-tiered, I guess, stand. You could use it as a cupcake stand. You could use it as to serve cookies on or candies on at the holidays. You decide what you're going to be using your 3-tiered stand. I wanted to have a nice table decoration that you could put in the center of your table, and it would look farmhouse, because I have that little farmhouse look in my kitchen here, because it takes after the Tuscan country look that I have. But that is made out of the same as what you see I used for the tabletop here. I used both of them, and then I used an old cake tin on the very top. And right there's a nice little decorative crystal lamp. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you how to make some yourself. So, if you want to sit there and see how some of these are made, you better leave a comment down below. Give me a thumbs up.